Welcome to Get Paid with Apps. Today we're going to be talking about how you can get paid every day just for searching the internet. Let's open the Bing and Microsoft Rewards app. So in the middle you'll see just a search bar. So you click on that and just search whatever you want. Once you do that and the results come up, you will receive 5 points right there in the rewards, 5 out of 130, just for doing a simple search. So now if you click on that part, there is a new user bonus where you can receive 20 points for turning on notifications and then 50 points for adding a search with Bing widget. As you can see that I added right there. So you can also do your searches in that widget, and each one will award you 5 points as well. And you'll see down in the bottom right, there's a 5-point coin. You can either tap on it or not, it doesn't matter. You'll still get awarded that extra 5 points. So you'll see now we're at 10 out of 130. So now if you go to the home screen, there is a daily check-in, and you'll receive 10 points for doing that every day. And then you can look up upcoming events near you for 10 points, or look up celebrity news for 10 points, or take a daily poll for 10 points. Let's check that out. So the daily poll is top 2023 movies. They're asking me, which 2023 movie release did you enjoy more, the Super Mario Brothers movie or Barbie? I never saw the Super Mario Brothers movie, so I'm going to say Barbie. And then it'll bring up info about the movie, and you'll get 10 points for doing so. And then here you can just read articles if you want. So if part of your daily routine is to just sift through news and read a couple articles, you might as well get paid a little bit while you're reading. But that section is capped to 30 maximum points a day, and the search is capped at 50 points a day. So you can only take 10 searches before you don't get paid for an unlimited amount of searches. And then it says here there's more activities. You can bank, you can look for a show, learn song lyrics, drive your way, just a whole bunch of other ways that you can earn and pick up a few points here and there. So it's really not a bad app if you look at it as, well, I'm already searching anyway, I'm already reading a few articles, I may as well get paid a little bit for doing so rather than just doing it on Google for nothing. So if you come over here for Bing and you do a certain amount of searches a day, read a couple articles, take a daily poll, do a few of these other things, next thing you know, you're going to be making about anywhere from 7 to 25 cents a day just for a little bit of work that you're probably doing anyway. To redeem your points, you'll see that they've got some gift cards. It's kind of Microsoft based at the beginning. You'll see with sweepstakes for an Xbox, or you can get a guaranteed Microsoft gift card or an Xbox gift card. And if you just keep scrolling through, you'll eventually run into more universal stuff like Starbucks and Burger King, Domino's, Sephora, Target, Walmart, Hulu, so on and so forth. And then here's a Home Depot one. Let's just open that one to see it says 7,000 points is the minimum to cash out, and that's worth $5. So you could realistically get a $5 gift card in a month or two. And lastly, there is a referral program. It says, well, what do they get? If you use my referral code, which I'll leave in the description, it says you can score up to a 1,300 point bonus when you complete your welcome quest. 1,300 points is worth about almost $1. That's gonna do it for Bing and Microsoft Rewards. If you're interested in more apps, just go to getpaidwithapps.com. You'll find a whole bunch of ways you can start earning today. We'll see you in the next video.